Hey, what's up, guys? This is Jeff, and I'm doing my day trading recap for Friday, September 27th. So I traded WFC at the open here for an opening range breakup. So let me show you what I saw here. And WFC is Wells Fargo. So on the first few minutes here, this thing was consolidating, then produced this huge hammer and had some decent follow through here with supporting volume. Look at that volume there. So I knew that this could be a potential opening range breakup, but I really wanted to wait for a really good entry. I wanted this to pull back just because up here is way too extended from all the moving averages. You can see it all here on the 5. So I waited for a good pullback. So as you can see on the 5-minute chart, produce a very bullish candle with really good volume. Um, but I wanted to wait for a pullback, and this did just that. It was so perfect. This thing pulled back all the way to VWAP. Right when it bounced off VWAP, I immediately took this thing long. I had a really tight stop because I knew that because of the aggressive pullback, if it didn't work out, this thing was, I didn't want to be in this trade. So I had a 5 cents risk here, right here. So I got in at 50.50. My stop was at 50.45. I did not have a hard stop in this. I just used one of my hotkeys to get into this trade. Right when it got to 50.59 level here, it actually broke 50.60. I immediately took partials. This level here that you're seeing here is the pre-market high. So right when it broke that, I took partials. And as the momentum started to break up, continued to take more partials here. I had also a level here at 50.82. Which was on the daily that I saw, and I took more partials on the way up. And at this point, I wanted to, because it was so strong, especially after this hammer candle on that pullback here, I knew that this thing was could potentially be a good runner. And as you can see, there was literally no new 5-minute lows for about 20 minutes here. Yeah, this thing ended up working in my favor. I continued to take more partials as it started to break up. And as it got here to this 51.30 level here, it started to struggle. I really want to get to this 51.50 here, which is right around all-time highs on the daily chart, but it started to get fairly weak. And as you can see, it produced these shooting stars, two of them. Um, and at this point, once it makes a new 5-minute low, I usually get all out, and I did that. So I got all out. Yeah, this was my one and done trade for today, and it couldn't be any better. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, comments, feel free to leave it at the bottom. And again, I'm doing daily recaps on my YouTube. It's a short seller. I hope everyone has a beautiful weekend, and I will see you guys next week in the chat.